Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your contactless payments limit for your Revolut card. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the Revolut application, go to the home page on the bottom of the screen, then go to the top right corner of the screen where you have these cards logo, and this is going to be your cards settings menu where you can select any of your cards. Obviously now the contactless payments feature only works for physical cards, so you have to select your physical card. You can have either the original classic physical card or a premium platinum card, it doesn't matter. Just go to the settings menu, and inside the settings menu just scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list where you will find the contactless payments. This is under the security tab, and here you can just tap on reset and it's going to reset the limit basically, and you can spend more with the contactless pay. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.